I cannot believe what I am looking at. This is not a truck. It is a mechanical heart attack. Ride Radar is standing in front of the 2026 American Eagle Raptor, and my brain is literally melting out of my ears. They didn't just push the envelope. They set the envelope on fire and launched it into orbit with a supercharged V8. This thing looks like it was designed by a mad scientist who had a grudge against the very concept of physics. Look at the front of this beast. That grille isn't just a design, it's an intake for a jet engine. It looks like it wants to inhale every small car in its path and spit out the hubcaps. The 2026 model has these new jagged, LED eagle-eye headlights that stare right into your soul and tell you that you are standing in the way of progress. I am shaking just being near this level of sheer, unadulterated aggression and the power. Oh my God. The Power Ride Radar has confirmed that the 5.2L supercharged Predator V8 has been tuned to a mind-shattering 720 horsepower, but wait. There's a performance pack that pushes it toward 900 horsepower. 900 in a truck that is more power than a literal tank. When you floor this thing, it doesn't just accelerate. It tries to tear a hole in the space-time continuum and leave the rest of the world behind, in a cloud of scorched rubber and desert sand. Do you hear that? That's not an exhaust note? That's the sound of the apocalypse. The active valve exhaust has a Baja mode that is so loud, it should come with a government health warning. It sounds like a pack of wolves fighting a chainsaw inside a thunderstorm every time that supercharger whines. A piece of my sanity leaves my body. It is the most beautiful, terrifying, and chaotic noise I have ever heard in my entire life. The suspension is pure, unfiltered witchcraft. We are talking about Fox Dual Live valve shocks that can adjust themselves 1,000 times a second. You could jump this truck over a small mountain, land on a bed of jagged rocks, and it would feel like you're landing on a pile of marshmallows. It's got 14 inches of travel in the front and 15 in the rear. This isn't off-roading. This is low-altitude flight. The tires are 37-inch monsters that look like they belong on a piece of heavy mining equipment. They are so big, I'm pretty sure they have their own gravitational pull. Ride Radar is looking at these beadlock-capable wheels and thinking, who needs roads? This truck doesn't need a highway. It creates its own path by sheer force of will. If a forest is in your way, the Raptor just turns it into mulch. Every single line on this 2026 model screams pure, unadulterated violence. Ride Radar has never seen anything this aggressive. The Fox Live valve suspension is basically alien technology that allows you to fly over desert whoops at triple-digit speeds without breaking a sweat. It's got 37-inch tires that look like they were stolen from a monster truck and a grille that looks ready to swallow a sedan whole. This is the peak of mechanical madness, a rolling middle finger to the status quo. And I am officially losing my mind over how beautiful this chaos really is. Inside the cab, it's a high-tech war room. There's carbon fiber everywhere, and the screens are bigger than the TV in my living room. But the most shocking thing, the ejector seat's bolster that locks you in so tight, you'll think you're being hugged by a bear. It's got more tech than a Silicon Valley startup, but it uses all that intelligence just to help you go faster, jump higher, and stay alive while doing it. I am literally losing my voice because I cannot stop screaming about this. The 2026 American Eagle Raptor is a middle finger to everything sensible. It's too wide for a standard lane, it's too loud for a quiet neighborhood, and it's way too powerful for anyone who values their life. And that is exactly why it is the greatest thing ever built. It is the ultimate expression of because I can. This truck is a rolling riot. It's a four-wheeled earthquake ride. Radar has never seen anything that combines this much luxury with this much pure, terrifying violence. It is a predator in every sense of the word, and the rest of the automotive world is just prey. If you see those amber lights in your rearview mirror, don't just move over. Pull off the road and pray. I need to sit down. My heart is racing. At 1,000 miles an hour, the 2026 American Eagle Raptor is officially the craziest, most shocking, most aggressive vehicle on the face of the planet. Ride Radar out. I'm taking this thing to the dunes. And if I'm not back in 3 days, tell my family I died doing what I loved, flying a 6,000-pound truck through the air.